Mabuhay! Good day everyone, my name is Jenny Cuevas and we are the students of HM6B in Legal Aspects in Tourism and Hospitality. And we are here to present about the two fundamental structures in commercial law, and that is corporation and partnerships. We will be focusing on one of the law for each, giving a clear understanding of their basic principles.
Hi, my name is Winnie Marie Lazaro, the Corporation Codes of the Philippines. Our focus for corporations is the revised Corporation Code of the Philippines, or Republic Act 11 2032. This comprehensive law governs the formation, operation, and dissolution of corporations in the Philippines. It defines the rights and responsibilities of shareholders, directors, and officers, ensuring a structured and regulated business environment. Thank you.
I'm Drysin Jade A. Matira. One crucial aspect covered by the Corporation Code is the concept or corporate personality. A corporation is a legal entity separate and distinct from its owner. This means it can enter into contracts, own property, sue and be sued in its own name, and even continue exist beyond the lifespan of its founder.
A prime example of a corporation is San Miguel. Corporation SMC is a publicity licensed company engaged in a diverse range of businesses, from food and beverage to packaging and fuel. Because its corporation SMC can raise capital by issuing shares of stock, allowing it to fund large-scale projects and expand its operation. Its separate legal personality allows it to enter in complex contracts and manage its best assets. Thank you.
For partnership, we'll look at relevant provision within the Civil Code of the Philippines, specifically Title 9 of Book 4, which deals with partnerships. This section defines a partnership as a contract of two or more persons who bind themselves to contribute money, property, or industry to a common fund with the intention of dividing the profit among themselves.
In summary, corporations are separate legal entities governed by the Corporation Code. Advantages like limited liability and easier access to capital. Partnerships governed by the Civil Code are based on mutual agreement and shared responsibility, often preferred for smaller businesses or professional services. Understanding these legal structures is crucial for any aspiring entrepreneur. Thank you.